How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? Now, that's a good question, so we here at Venngage crunch the numbers. Let's first assume that by man, Bob meant an adult. The legal age at which you become an adult in the US is 18. So if you become an adult at 18 and babies start walking on average between 8 and 10 months, that's 207 walkable months. Now, for the sake of argument, this is assuming that this boy is not one of 50% of children who will break a bone in those 207 months. So an average adolescent male walks between 12,000 and 16,000 steps a day. So let's take 14,000 as our average. Now let's take those 14,000 steps a day and times them by 365 days in a year, which gives us 5,110,000 steps in a year. Now let's divide that by 12 so we get the monthly figure, 425,833. And then let's multiply that by those 207 walkable months. Now, allowing for leap years, which is an extra 63,000 steps, we get to the grand total of 88,210,500 steps. Okay, so now let's work out how many roads that is. Now, according to the internet, the world's most reliable source, there is 2,678,000 miles of paved road in America. So despite several days of research and a whole bunch of emails, nobody actually seems to know how many individual roads there are in America. But based on a comparable country, we can guess it's around 4,870 mark, which means each road is on average 3 miles long. Wow, that's so much math. So if each road is an average of 3 miles long and the average adolescent walks 88,210,500 steps before legally becoming an adult, i.e. a man, and each mile is around 2,000 steps give or take, we can definitely say that a man must walk down, drumroll please, a man must walk down 14,702 roads before you can call him a man. Take that, Bob.